Since 2015, the family of Jonathan Krueger waited to see his killers face justice.
Today, 3 men convicted in the robbery and murder of the UK student were sentenced for the crime. LEX 18's Michael Burke attended this morning's hearing as family members spoke to the court about their pain over the last 7 years. That's tonight's big story at 5.
A difficult morning here as each of the 3 defendants expressed remorse for what happened, and family and friends of Jonathan Krueger's spoke very emotionally about their loved one.
Jonathan was a lot of things to a lot of people.
Gut-wrenching moments in court today when Jonathan Krueger's sister Elizabeth and his mother Barry spoke about losing their brother and child. 7 years ago, Krueger, then a UK student, and a friend were robbed, and Krueger was shot and killed during that altercation. The trial took this long as the initial request for the death penalty was appealed and fought all the way to the state Supreme Court. Then the pandemic put things on hold for some additional years. Late last month, Justin Smith, Roman Gonzalez, and Ephraim Diaz Jr. pleaded guilty to several charges, and today they were sentenced. Judge Jeff Taylor went with the Commonwealth's recommendation, giving Gonzalez a 35-year sentence. Smith received 34 years, and Diaz Jr. will serve 20 years. Mrs. Krueger spoke of that April night 7 years ago when police arrived at their home.
There are no words to describe that moment, nor the ear-piercing primordial cries of my husband, Jonathan's father, that filled the house within a split second of hearing the words no parent ever wants to hear. My fervent hope and prayer is that he died knowing how much he was loved.
Mrs. Krueger added that she's not sure if justice was served here today. Certainly doesn't bring Jonathan back, but she is just very happy that the process is now over with. In Lexington, Michael Burke, LEX 18 News.